Now the RS didn't come with a four-wheel drive that many people would hope it would come with. However, it still does a fantastic job of putting down the power and managing torque steer, while still providing plenty of fun. This RS will hit 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds and top out at around 160 mile an hour. Now this is quite amazing considering this car is a family hatchback. This, being civilised, not being driven very leery, will give you 25 to 30 mile per gallon and still provide the occasional pop and bang. Now I love that.
For me, this car's the ultimate Jekyll and Hyde car. From the outside, it looks mental, absolutely mental. But get in it, and you can just drive along, you can poodle along at 40, absolutely no problem. That's not what you want to be doing in this car. You want to put your foot down, because listen to this. How good does that sound? Yes.
An RS and we thought, where do we take an RS? It's got to be Southend, the home for a racer.
That is beautiful. I love this car. It's an absolute beast. It looks a beast. However, the pressure when driving it is immense. When I'm driving it down the high street, I feel I should be booting it every single time, because the absolute look of it, you've got an expectation of you as an RS driver. I'm not sure if I can handle it. Oh, look at the tyres. So, what do we think?
I really like it. I'm a big fan of this car. Big fan.
Now that really surprises me. I thought you wouldn't like it. It's more, I thought it would be for more my age. It's loud, it's leery, it's fast. It must tick every box for every age group.
Okay, getting over the fact that us old uns like it, I've got a little bit of a problem. Yeah. It's a great car, it's fast, it's all those things you said. Can I drive it every day? Day-to-day use around Essex?
Yes, you can. You really can, yeah. You can drive it slow and it's fine. But it's just nice just to put the window down, put your foot down, and you just hear that engine. That is so good. So good.
Do you agree?
I do agree, I really do. I think you'd love this car. It is comfortable on long trips. It's economical, as I said earlier. I think this could be another car that you would enjoy.
Alright, thank you. You're trying to sell it to me by the sounds of it. I'm sold already. It's a decent car, but perhaps as my weekend car. How about that?
Sounds good.
That's it. Your weekend car. Focus RS.
I want to say a big thank you to Dan at Trade Price Cars over in Battlesbridge. We've had this car for 48 hours now. We've had a right laugh in it. It's a truly great car. But this one's quite special. It's only got 13,500 miles and it could be yours. I think you need to go see Trade Price Cars. Thanks again.
There you have it.
Focus RS. Yeah,